Let us see practical number 2. The practical number 2 is regarding the general purpose commands of Linux operating system. So here we are going to use Linux operating system. You can implement this in Linux operating system on your laptop or on your mobile also. The process of implementing this operating system on laptop as well as on mobile system is already given. If you are not received this, then you can see another video of uh, the particular Linux operating system implementation on laptop as well as on uh, mobile system also. So let us see the second practical of OSY, that is general purpose Linux commands. Now see the second practical. Second practical is about general purpose Linux command. Now here execute general purpose commands. The practical significance of second practical is to execute some general commands. Which commands? We'll see this. Relevant program outcomes are discipline knowledge, experiments and practice, engineering tools, individual and teamwork, communication. So here competency and practical skills is able to apply general purpose Linux commands. So outcome of this practical is to use the operating system tools to perform various functions. Which tools? We'll see this one. Practical outcome is to execute date, time, cal, clear, banner. Now remember, this banner is not necessary to execute on Linux because this is not a Linux command, it is Unix command. So it is not, may not be possible to run TTY, teletypewriter, script, man, and script also sometimes may not be possible to execute. Relevant effective domain related outcomes, follow precautionary measure. These three are common to all practicals. Minimum theoretical background, I don't think that this is necessary or mandatory, because if you know this, then there is no use of this practical. So you have to use this practical to implement this command only: date, calendar, clear, banner. Not actually banner is not implemented because it is not a Linux command, it is a Unix command. TTY and also this one, and man. Let us see one by one all these commands, and you can use some descriptor also here to implement and to elaborate the commands along with the basic commands. For example, descriptor is %y. So whenever you enter this command, date command, at that time this %y plus %y, this is used for 2-digit year. It display 2-digit year. Here 19 is used, 19 is displayed. Plus b, %b means it is for month abbreviation like January. Plus %m means month digit 01. This is all 01 to 31. And if you want to add some text along with the descriptor, today is %j day of year 1 to 366. We'll see the one by one, this one. So here command resource requires this one as the first practical have. Then computer system, operating systems like this. Results, the actually this is not recommended or this is not expected. that thus we have studied and execute the general purpose command. No, you have to write the output of commands in short. That is the result. 3 or 4 commands. Practical related questions are there. You have to implement this. You have to write down the practical related questions, and then some exercises are there. You have to perform this command on your mobile or on your laptop. When you are using laptop, then Sigwin utility you have to use, and whenever you are using the uh, laptop mobile, at that time you have to use termmux. I have mobile as well as this laptop applications. So let us see one by one. This is my mobile. The view of my mobile, you have to use this termmux, this particular application. Where from where I get this termmux application? Put the termmux word into the Play Store, download it, and then start performing the practical. Okay, we'll see this one. So here I use this mobile, click on termmux, then it will display this window, mobile window. Everything is there. If you want to install some packages, then you have to enter this one, that package search and some query. Now here package install root repo, that is a repository files you can install, so don't worry about that. We required a very less commands. That means a few commands are there which can be implemented over this mobile. Now I'm actually using here general purpose commands. Which are these one? The general purpose command is regarding this one, date, calendar, clear. Okay, let us see. Date. I enter date and press enter. So Saturday, August means today's date, and time will be displayed. Okay, especially if I enter time, then a real user system, this will not display. I don't know why. Now let us see clear command. I will clear the complete screen. So here we have to use clear. So it will clear the complete screen. Now here we use TTY. Now TTY and enter. So it gives the output as the terminal number or terminal name. So /dev is the device file where the information regarding the terminal is stored, and terminal name is PTS/12, or 12 may be the number, PTS is the device. So here we can implement again the man regarding what? Man is nothing but a manual regarding, suppose for example, date, man and date, then enter. So it will give the complete description regarding the man, this one. Now here we'll use the clear command again. Sorry, here q, and q means quit from the man is interactive command itself. So it have again another commands, like enter means one line scrolling, and if you press spacebar, then a complete screen will be scrolled, means one screen at a time. So here for example, again I will use this command man and ls, then enter. Then see what happened. Here the complete description regarding the ls. Ls is nothing but a listing of files and directories. So here it will give you colon. Now if you see at the left bottom side, there is a colon for entering the commands. Entering the commands in the sense, if I use enter command, again enter, then it will display next line, again one description, again another line, another line, another line. But I want to display the whole screen at a time. I will use spacebar. Again I will enter. You can experience on the keyboard. If I am entering the enter, then it will flash. If I am pressing the spacebar, then it will flash this one like this. Okay, now here I will use q, quit from this command, manual, this command, interactive command. So q, then it will exit from the man. Now I want to stop the Linux environment. I want to log out. Now here I will log out. How to log out? I just press control. Now let us see that control button will flash. See over the control, this will flash once and it the color changes from white to sky blue. And then I will press D. As soon as I press D, that will log out from the system. If you leave it as it is, then in background that your termworks, this Linux environment always runs. So you have to log out it. Simply enter the log out or control D. So in this way we can perform the second practical. Next time we'll see third practical, how to implement the or how to execute the commands in the third practical.